Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So in today's video, the app I'm gonna share with you, it's already on Google Play Store. This app is on Google Play Store, so you head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And on this channel, we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And in today's video, we are going to set up this app. It is called V2ray Tun So this is the name of the app. It's known as V2ray Tun. Install this app on your device. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are using the internet. So after installing the app, open it to do some settings, and when you reach in the app, it will take you to its home screen, and on the way out you see a list or a session which says configuration. So this means that in order for this app to work, you must have a configuration so that it can work. So to do that, to get a configuration, visit any search engine, or you can visit Google or Chrome. Then from here you search for Fast SSH V2ray, just like that. Fast SSH V2ray. From this site, we are going to create a configuration which will help us to set up the V2ray Tun app in order to achieve a super fast and a secure connection, extra layer of security, and also to enhance on our online activities when you are using the internet. And among the presented, you pick this one, Dynamic V2ray server. So from here you will be able, the site will ask you to verify whether you are human, and this should take less than a few seconds, so you must be patient. And then you click on verify, and the site will verify whether you are human. And after successful verification, the site will take you to its interface. So from here you will be required to create a dynamic V2ray server. This server will help us to set up the V2ray Tun app in order to achieve a super fast and a secure connection, extra layer of security, and also to enhance on our online browsing session. So when you reach here, pick from any of the available servers. You can see a list right here, and you can also browse around the other lists. So you choose one server from any of your desired location. You can see this one is from Singapore, and this one is from US. So you pick any server from any of your desired location. But as we do the setup, just in case you are new on this channel and you haven't yet subscribed on this channel, take this time to like, share, and subscribe on the channel. By doing so, you will not miss any of our future coming content. And when you subscribe, you are able to comment in the comment section and tell us which next setting we should drop for you or which help you need. And let's continue with the guide. So you click on create V2ray account, and when you click on create V2ray account, you need to wait for the app to load, for the website to load. So from here you will be required to enter a username, and also you will be required to enter a username and then SNI. So I think a username, we can use any username, but for the sake of the SNI, we must use SNIs which are working in our different countries. So SNIs, if you don't have an SNI, you must get one. And in case you don't know how to get one, let's open another tab, or let's do this. So the reason why we are going back, I'm gonna show you on how to get SNI in order to put in this field. For the sake of the username, you can use any username, but for the sake of the SNI, you must use a working SNI, and that SNI should be working in your location. And SNI is important because it can help the VPN to enhance the connection, and it can help when you are connecting to the internet. So the SNI is very important because it can help to enhance the connection, secure the connection when we are connecting to the internet. So you must obtain a working SNI from your country. So in case you don't have one and you need to get one SNI of your country, head back to the Google Play Store. So when you reach on Google Play Store, this app we are gonna search, it will help us to get a working SNI of our different countries. So this app, it is called Kofnet. Open Google Play Store, search for Kofnet, install this app. When you reach on the app interface, it will show you different options, but for today's guide you opt for SNI generator, and from here it will say that you select your country. So you tap there, then make sure to pick your country. Make sure to pick your country among the presented. So you pick a country where you are from. Please note that don't pick the country I'm gonna choose right now, but you pick your country name. In case you are not from a country I'm gonna pick, please you pick your country name. So for example, you are from Kenya and you need a working SNI, you tap here, then you pick Kenya. After Kenya, you click on generate, and you give this app a few seconds for it to generate the available SNI of your country. And in case you are not from Kenya, you tap here, then you can pick your country, and after picking your country you also click generate. You can see that the app seamlessly generates the SNI, which will help you to set up your VPN app and get a super fast and secure connection. So make sure to pick your country, just as you can see, just like that. The app is ready to generate your country name. So for today's guide, for today's purpose, since it is an educational guide, let me pick any random country. For example, this India, and then when I click on generate, it will generate a list of working SNIs. And this is where you must take note. In case you generate, it will bring you approximately 1 or 2 SNI. So to see other SNIs, you click on next, and when you click next, it will tell you the method to connect with and the network. And when you click next, it will show you another SNI, and by doing so you will get more and more working SNIs for your country. And also you can copy the SNI from here. After you land on a working SNI you prefer, you click on copy, and after copying the SNI, you are required, in order to get a successful connection, you must check if the SNI is still working or it is not. So again, you must open a new tab or any search engine. From here you search for host checker. This site will help us to verify whether the SNI we have chosen it's working or it's not. So this is the SNI, this is the website. Pick this one, and when we pick this one, you paste here the SNI you have just copied, and then you click on SSL check. It will check, and the result will confirm whether the SNI is working or it's not working. And when you get a different result from this, which says certificate is valid, SSL certificate is valid, and you get any other results, it will mean that the SNI will not be working. As you can see, like when you get this could not retrieve SSL certificate, it means that the SNI isn't working. So you go back on the site where we were on Fast SSH, and then from there you must enter a working SNI you have just generated in the respective field right here. So you paste it right there, and the other setting is you must click and verify I'm not robot reCAPTCHA, then enter any username you feel like you will prefer, and after that you come here right here and then you click on create account, and after doing that you give this website a few seconds for it to generate your V2ray dynamic account. This account will be used to set up a V2ray Tun app in order to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So this will take a while, so you must be patient. And as we wait for this website to load or to create the account details, let me ask you to like this video, subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and also you can comment in the comment section which help you need and which video should we drop next. And by doing so, after subscribing, you'll be able to watch and learn with us. In case we drop a new video, you'll be notified. And after waiting, you will see that this website will generate the account and it will bring options to copy. So you click on copy, and when you click on copy, you will copy the account details which will help you to set up the V2ray Tun. And then after copying, head back to the home screen, and then you open the V2ray Tun app just installed. Make sure to learn, and also you can rewatch the video so that you cannot make any slight mistakes. In case you make any slight mistake, the connection won't be successful. So make sure to comment where you don't understand. Make sure to ask and you'll be helped. But first, rewatch the video, watch all the steps clearly, and there you'll be able to set up this app. And when you reach here in the app, tap on the plus button, and from the presented menu, import from clipboard. So you click on it, import from clipboard, and the app will automatically import your generated V2ray dynamic account, which will help this app to establish a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So when you reach here, you must do some simple settings. First of all, you first connect, and if the connection isn't successful, these are the troubleshooting ideas. So you tap here and you edit some settings. First of all, the SNI must not be working. You can change in case the connection fails. You go back to the app I shared with you, and then you generate a new SNI, and by doing so you get another SNI which will help you when you are setting up this app in case the connection fails. So, and the other thing is, make sure you don't edit anything without your understanding. So this is what to do in case the connection persists. Come where you see address, and then you remove the address just like this. And when you remove the address, paste here the working SNI you recently copied, and then retrieve the address to the host name. So all this is done to make sure the connection is successful, and also to make sure that you are accurate. So you paste here the address, and after doing that simple, and also where you see SNI, also you update it with the address just like that. And where you see the address, you update it with the SNI we just generated. And that's a troubleshooting tool in case the connection persists and it doesn't connect. So you click on save after doing that simple settings. So after that, you are able to establish a connection. So you tap on this connect button, it's right here, and as you can see, the status is success and the app is connected right away. And that's how we set up V2ray Tun VPN in order to get a super fast and a secure connection and extra protection when you are using the internet. And also, you make sure to like this video, subscribe on this channel, comment in the comment section where you need help, and let's meet in the next video. Enjoy a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection with this step-by-step guide of setting up V2ray Tun.